Hi everyone. I've spoken to a few people and they've mentioned that they're having a hard time emailing longer videos to families. So I wanted to show you a way that you can upload your videos to YouTube and then email or seesaw the links to your families. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your Chrome. Then you're going to look for the 9 dots over in the right hand corner and click on that and go down to where it says YouTube. And when you get into YouTube, you should already be signed in because YouTube is part of the Google suite. So you're going to go over and there's either going to be a picture if you've uploaded a picture over here, or there's going to be a letter. You're going to click on that over in the right hand corner again. And if you don't already have a YouTube channel, you want to create a channel. So you're going to create a channel. And they sort of walk you through this. I'm going to use my name. If you would rather use like Miss or Mr. or something other than your full name, you can do that with a custom name. I'm just going to use mine. And now my channel has been successfully created. And now to get to the point where I'm going to be able to load videos, I'm going to go way down here and I'm going to skip these steps right now because I can go back later and add them as I would like. So now you'll see that you have this big empty spot here. You're going to need to go into YouTube Studio to upload any videos. And when you get into YouTube Studio, you'll notice that there's a place here that says upload videos, and there's also this little arrow up here in the right hand corner. You can hit either of those places and it will bring you to a place where you can upload. You're going to get a drag and drop. Drag my video and drop it in. And it's going to automatically upload into YouTube. I can change my title. And I can give a description if I'd like. You can tell your families what's in your video. This was just a demonstration video, so it actually doesn't really show anything. You'll notice that it's now all uploaded. You can show a thumbnail when people look for it. You can add it to a playlist if you have a playlist. I have created a few different playlists. Right here, I don't have any. I am going to click that it's made for kids because that makes it a little easier. It makes sure that it's appropriate for them. And then I'm going to come down here into the right hand lower corner and hit next. And then you can add information about your video if you'd like, in terms of you can add an end screen, you can add cards, you can add where you imported your video from, but you don't have to do those things. You can also just skip those and go to the next screen. And on this screen, you're going to decide whether you want it to be private and only the people that you choose can watch your video, unlisted, so that anyone with the link can watch your video, or public, which means that anyone can find your video on the YouTube site. For all of my read aloud books that I didn't use for instruction because of copyright, I did use Unlisted for those and just send the link to my families. All my foundations videos that I made last spring, I did make public because I thought that maybe somebody else could benefit from them. But I would probably, for instructional videos, I would put them unlisted unless you would like them to be findable by other families or other people in the world. So unlisted. I'm going to save this. And then it's going to bring me to the place where my video has been published. I can click on this double little sign here, copy the video link, it's copied to my clipboard. I can close this. Then I can go to my Seesaw. I'm going to pick my inbox, and I am going to choose the people that I would like to send this to. These are my parents' families, what have you. I can choose any of those to send them to. I can also choose just a specific student to send it to. It sort of depends on what you're looking to do. If you're going to send it to an individual student, you would go down, find their parent's name or their name, click on it, and this will bring you just to that particular student's message board. Then you can go down into the message, paste your YouTube information, and then hit send. It will come up here. The family will get notification that they've received it, that they've received a message from you, and then they can click on it and access the video. If you're using Google Classroom, you can make a Google Doc where you can, I like to sometimes make a doc or sheet, and this allows me to create a place where I can store those videos. So if it's a math video, I might put all my math videos here, and then just make a list of just the ones that have to do with math underneath. You can basically do whatever you're most comfortable with in terms of using a spreadsheet or a doc to get that information to your families, or through the Google Classroom. I don't know if this was helpful, but I hope so. If anybody has any questions about any of this, you can give me a holler. Good luck, and let me know if this was not helpful. Thanks. Bye-bye.